In today's digital world, unlocking the power of Google Ads starts with one crucial element: keywords. Here are 3 hacks to improve your keywords for higher conversions and profitability. Hack number 1. Relevance is key. Choose keywords that directly relate to your products or services. Think like your customers and anticipate what they might search for. By targeting relevant keywords, you'll attract more qualified leads, leading to increased conversions and sales. Hack number 2. Research and refine. Utilize Google's Keyword Planner to find valuable insights on your keyword search volume and competition. Refine your keyword list regularly, focusing on high-performing ones and bidding strategically to maximize your ads' impact. Hack number 3. Landing page alignment. Ensure your keywords align seamlessly with your landing page content and call to action. When visitors find what they're searching for, they're more likely to convert, resulting in a higher quality score and lower cost per click. Empower your Google Ads campaigns with these keyword hacks and unleash their potential to drive success for your business. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow for more.